Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Now in today's episode, based on the title, you guys know that I may single-handedly have the car with the loudest blow-off valve ever in history. Nah, okay, I don't know if it's ever in history, but I don't mean it to brag because I'm not sure if it's a good thing or a bad thing, because I do live in California and cops will see you instantly with that blow-off valve. They will hear you, they won't see you. They will see you, but they also hear you. With that being said, we're gonna go ahead and go on a drive with the G35. We're gonna do normal driving, we're gonna do pools. Obviously with the pools you're gonna hear, but I want to show you guys how you guys can hear it. I'm gonna show you guys iPhone clips, I'm gonna show you camera clips in this camera, and I'll show you GoPro clips just so you can hear three different type of audios, how they sound on all three cameras, to give you guys a better understanding of how loud it is and, you know, how loud it is. Now before I begin this video, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. It helps out the video a ton. And go ahead down in the comment section below if you guys seen a car with a louder blow-off valve. I'm really interested and curious to hear it. If you guys have clips, if you guys have Instagrams, go ahead, tag them down below. I'm interested to see all the blow-off valves in the world, because I don't know, man, this thing is loud, man. It's loud. It's annoyingly loud, as a matter of fact. And just a quick info on my car, it is a 2005 Infiniti G35. It is a 6-speed and it's currently mounted with a V3 Vortech Supercharger kit. It sounds good, I really enjoy it, but it is really loud sometimes, especially when you drive next to cars. When cars are right next to you, the sound reflects off the cars and it comes back to your ears and you can hear how loudly annoying it is. But without further ado, I'm gonna give you guys a cold startup. I'm gonna put the camera right next to the blow-off valve so you guys can hear how it sounds. Hopefully the mic doesn't break or distort the sound in any way or shape or form. Let's go ahead, place the camera, start the vehicle, and then let's go on a little cruise. All right guys, I got my mini little setup here. I have the camera pointing to the blow-off valve, which is right around, actually it's right around here. Anyways, it's still close enough. Anyways, let's start the camera. Oh shit, it's not even on. And then red little button. All right, there we go. Now let's go ahead and go in the car, start it up. You're gonna get an iPhone audio and a camera audio. Oh my god, I cannot talk. Anyways, I'll leave the door open like that. Let's prime it. I got this from the comment section, or else I'm gonna get flamed. And here we go. Let's prime it one more time. Okay, I think it's fine. Let's start it. Hey, it started pretty quick. Right on. Mad. I was just beginning to shoot with my GoPro and my GoPro died. Well done. Now I gotta drive with one hand. Good thing there's no one on the road. Full throttle. I was kind of scared because I'm driving with one hand, but fifth gear. Oh man. And I know a lot of you guys asked me why I have the Nissan badge right here. This Nissan badge came with the car, the whole steering, the airbag, it came with the car. All I did was send my steering wheel and they were able to do it in carbon fiber and the freaking postered, or what's this thing called, perforated leather, or what it's called. But it came with the car, okay? And it doesn't bother me at all. Like, I really don't care. I know a lot of you guys are really maniac about that. They're like, bro, put an Infinity logo, it looks so much better. And I'd probably agree with you, like, honestly, but I mean, it doesn't bother me, so. Oh, there's a cop. Alright guys, we're back. I saw a cop. I had my tinted windows up. I was making noise. I had to quickly put my window down and take an alternative route because I am not gonna risk it. Like, bro, like that was not even 3,000 RPM. Look how loud it is. Like, it's crazy. It's ridiculous. Watch when we get next to cars. It gets a little louder. You can hear from the side. Like, it bounces off the cars and it makes so much noise. Oh my god. Alright guys, we just got out of work and it's now nighttime, bro. Day flies by so fast. But anyways, my GoPro decided to work, bro. It like recharged somehow, but we're on the road and yeah, it's not quiet at all. It's not quiet at all. It's barely 2.5. It's barely 2.5 and look how loud it got. I don't know if the GoPro, you can actually hear how loud it is, but in person it's hella loud. You can probably hear reflect off the... That's why whenever I go through an intersection, which is probable that there's a cop in the front row. I don't know why every time I go through an intersection, there's always a cop in the front line and always waiting for me. So whenever I go through an intersection, I put this bitch on neutral. And it's in Prius mode, baby. Prius mode, nobody knows you got a supercharger, nobody knows anything, no exhaust sound, nothing, bro. It's like a Prius, which I love. It won't sound as loud, obviously, so I can put it in. Oh, nice. Hopefully there's no cop. Cross your fingers, because it's a tunnel. I'm surely gonna get pulled over. There's a cop there. I can't see at night either. Look how loud the freaking blow-off valve reflects off the sidewalk. You can hear it. Oh hell no, that shit loud. Oh my god, that shit's loud. Holy cow. Is this your recording? This shit sounds like a damn freaking sweeper. Guys, I feel like I left you guys short. It was raining today. I didn't really give you guys enough footage, but I gave you guys plenty of normal driving footage. But I know you guys are here for the pulls, so I'm gonna pull a compilation of some pulls and clips that I have together and show you guys how it sounds, the blow-off valve, how loud it is when we do some pulls. So without further ado, we're gonna show you the clips. Enjoy. That'll be the end of the video. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and enjoy the clips. It sounds so sick, bro. You hear that shit?